Hi, this is Carmel, the Crazy Cricket Lady, and I'm going to show you how to save a Design Space project so that you can share it with your friends. Create a link and you can share that. I've made a copy of a project that I recently did. You may have seen it on the website, or you may have seen it in the Facebook group. It's this one right here, the St. Patrick's Day hexagon fold card. We're going to make the link so that you can share it. We'll go here, click the little dots, and click edit. And you need to fill in these blanks. Now this is what the project name is. We're just going to leave that alone. You need to enter some tags, and this is a card, it's cardstock, it's a paper craft. You can type some things, and not everything shows up. And I've learned from experience that to get it to save St. Patrick's Day, you have to include that. Now, if I wanted to put in hexagon, Hexagon, hexagon is there, but if I go to type hexagon fold card, there's nothing there. So you can't create your own, you can only make what Design Space has decided are important words. Okay, we're going to throw holidays in here, and I think that's about it. And then down here you need to put a description. Now, let's see, I've been trying this type of card for ages, and finally figured it out. That's all you need to put, just a little bit. I have on the real project, I put a link to my tutorial site on there because that's where I'm going to post the link. But if you just want to share it with someone, you just need to write something in there, and then you need to put a photo in with it. And here's some photos of the recent projects I have. We'll put that photo with it and click save. And it usually saves it, but I'm going to let the little spinning dial go. It takes you to a page where you can share it on Facebook, on Pinterest, or you can copy the project link. We're just going to copy it, and it tells you the link was copied to the clipboard. Now, if you want to send that to someone, you can put that link in an email, or if you want to do like I do and post it online, you copy it and post a link. And that's how easy it is to share a project that you have in Design Space. Now, a few words about what you can share. As you can see, when you click on it, it tells you here the images and fonts used in this project. They all must be something that comes from Design Space. All of this happens to be either free or access. But in another project I have is this one, and it is not going to be posted online because in the pre-testing it just failed miserably. But if you look at this, all of these pieces are free and access, except for this one down here, a template that I downloaded to try to help me figure out how to do these three-dimensional cards. This project I could not share, even though all of these things are access images and you can get to them. This is someone's artwork. It belongs to them, and Design Space will not let you share a project that doesn't have something that they are absolutely sure you own. So if you uploaded something into creating the file, you cannot share that as a Design Space link. It just won't let you do it. So that's how you share a link. If you have any questions, you know you can always find me on my Facebook group. You can email me at blog@crazycricketlady.com. I answer all the emails I get. Thanks for listening.